Did you know a pope once put a dead man on trial? In 897 AD, Pope Stephen VI had his predecessor, Pope Formosus, dug up from his grave. The corpse was dressed in full papal robes and propped up on a throne inside a Roman courtroom. A deacon was appointed to speak on behalf of the body. The charges were political. Stephen wanted Formosus erased from history. But the trial backfired in every possible way. The Roman clergy watched in horror. The spectacle was so disturbing that public outrage began building almost immediately. Within months, Stephen was stripped of his own papal office. Then he was thrown in prison. Then he was strangled. And Formosus? Every ruling made against him was reversed. His ordinations were upheld. His papacy was officially restored to good standing. Stephen had weaponized the full power of the church to destroy a dead man's reputation, and the sheer ugliness of it consumed him completely. He didn't bury his enemy, he buried himself.